Okay, honeybird.
What are you looking for?
Honeybird. Here you go. Yum.
Don't throw the M&Ms at the hummingbirds. They don't know about M&Ms.
No, Ike. So I better go and see where's the honeybuds.
What about you, Addison? Are you feeding the hummingbirds? Huh?
Throw one over there and one eat it.
Got quiet for a while. Sometimes there's as many as 8 or 10 out here fighting at the same time. Got some customers now.
There's one.
It's just been magical with Griffin and Addison and the hummingbirds flying in and out.
Whoa, one ate that one. The red one ate that one. See, I told you.
Well, Griffin, tell me about them. Are they hummingbirds or honeybirds?
Honeybird.
What? Are you throwing M&Ms again?
Well, one ate that one.
Are we having a good time?
Here. Uh-oh.
You see the hummingbird, Addison? I hear another one.
Here, honeybird. Well, one ate that one. I can give that one to the air. Bah! Bah! Whoa. Oh, it's in my apple! And the bushes!
Uh-oh.
Now I know if we're going to get it.
Do you know what's going to happen to it tonight?
What?
A raccoon is going to come and eat it.
Uh-oh. Raccoon? What's a raccoon? What's a raccoon, Nana?
A raccoon is like a bandit. Like a bandit, a robber. And where'd your apple go? You don't know where it went?
I can't eat.
You can't eat it?
Yeah. There you go, honey.
Anyway, the raccoons come at night and tear up Nana's bird feeders and try to get into all kinds of stuff. Have you ever seen one before?
Well.
What is it?
I heard a raccoon.
You hear the raccoon?
Well, I heard him growling.
He does, and you know what? They have little paws, but they're like hands, and they can open bird feeders.
Yeah, and one was that dog and Chance. He has black spots.
He had black spots.
And he sees other. Like two out of control.
Yeah, Addison went to get Lacey.
Oh, there's one.
You see it?
One ate that one.
Okay, are you ready to go inside and watch Backyardigans?
Well, I didn't see any honeybirds yet.
Hey, could you say the Pledge of Allegiance for me?
The Pledge of Allegiance
Well, look up.
to the flag
Come over here.
of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all.
Yay, that was so good. I'm so proud of you. What else? Can you sing me another song? Can you sing me another song?
Well, one ate that one.
I think we're going to have to go check on Addison. She went back in the house to get Lacey. Okay, well, bye-bye. See you later. Can you say bye? Say bye-bye.